So we're off on our ride. We're gonna ride around all the roads around Lake Lancer and see how all the houses compare. Are you smiling? Cruising around Sugar Springs. Sun's out, 55, 60 degrees. Beautiful day. Labor Day. Lake Lancelot. One of the fingers for Lake Lancelot. Lots of places have names up here in Sugar Springs. This one, called Peggy's Place, has a cup of coffee. It reminds me of the coffee shop Peggy and Kevin own in Alpena. And lots of owners have specialized mailboxes. Just a cruising. Whoa! Oh! Some hike-a-bike on our route today. Our bikes are taking a rest. Doing a little hike and bike. Margie decided to walk up the little hill. It was loose gravel and not the safest riding. Up and loose gravel. This is where several people keep their boats. Nice blue skies, some fluffy clouds, sun's out, and a truck's coming. Coming up onto Islander's Realm, we have the land bridge. On one side is Lake Lancer. On the other side is Lake Lancelot. So we've essentially gone all the way around Lake Lancelot. Beautiful lake, and it's a beautiful little trip around the lake on our bicycles today. Well, we finished our workout. We're back at the house. Now we're going to enjoy a little bit of R&R. I got the bacon on the grill. Going to have some eggs and bacon for our brunch, maybe a piece of toast, and relax, and then start our chores around the house. Margie's already relaxing. Check this out.
My favorite spot. Thanks, kids.
Margie coming to join me in my favorite spot. Looking out over the lake. We had a nice bike ride, so now we can have bacon, orange juice, and English muffin. Sadie would like some too. She's a beggar. But she's not getting any. Sadie! Uh-oh. Mama's gonna feed her. Everybody loves bacon.